Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Pachirisu from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw cheek. Draw cheek. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw tongue. Draw eyes. Detail the head. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw a U shape for the body. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw tail. Draw tail. Detail the tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.